how many shows you did?
I did 5.
5.
Yeah, 2 kid shows, which they call them. They're not kid shows. They're PG shows. They're kid shows, but people bring their infants in.
Oh man.
Yeah. Oh, good. You're going to really like my big Black Panther bit, And I'm talking about, when, remember
Dude, are you developing new material for those? Are you learning how to make balloon animals?
a little bit.
Or just like,
Yeah.
come on. Kids shows. What are you talking about? You should
You know
really.
what I'm talking about, kid? We like the blue balloon, sir. I only got green. Shut up.
I wish I knew you had this gear years ago. I would have had you like babysitting. Like, can you come over, Dwayne, and just
And do
you
your
do an
act.
hour. Just work on some new stuff. Grab some dinner. Be back. I know the rooms downtown are only giving you 10 minutes. You can do as much time as you want.
Man. Yeah,
Uncle
man.
Dwayne's babysitting again.